Hey guys, welcome to my little channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a quick get ready with me using the roller liner from Benefit. This is my first time using it, and yeah, it's kind of like a first impressions video as well, I guess. I'm starting with my eyebrows using L'Oreal's eyebrow definer, and I always make sure I brush out my brows. I'm taking some of the Fenty concealer in 310 and just cleaning up underneath my brows. I'm trying to go very light and making sure everything is very well blended out. It looks like I'm using a lot of product, but I'm really trying not to. So I'm really making sure I'm blending it. And after using the brush, I do go in and smooth it all out some more with my finger. And in between, as always, I'm brushing everything up, and just to really get it all mixed together. And using my e.l.f. brow gel, I am setting everything in place. Again, grabbing my Fenty concealer in 310, and I would like to say lightly apply concealer, but yeah, okay. Taking my little damp Real Techniques brush, I just canned with the Beauty Blender. The Real Techniques brush is where it is, or where it's at. Yeah, using that, smoothing everything out. You guys know how to do all that. And I'm taking some of that Fenty setting powder in banana bread. Is it banana bread? Is it baked banana? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put it down in the description box, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's banana something. Best powder ever. I love it, setting everything in place. And grabbing my Benefit's Hulu bronzer. Yeah, excuse the dirty brush. It's not dirty, it's bronzy. Yeah, I'm just contouring. Again, I would like to say lightly, but yeah, I am going in deep. I'm trying to lightly contour my nose, just hitting the sides, underneath my chin, you know, just some warmth, a little bit of dimension. Yeah, I found my little Kat Von D favorite contour shade, the darkest one in her contour kit, contour palette. Again, packing some more extra contour power up in those cheeks. I will blend it out more, actually. Looking back at it, it's like, okay, I could have swirled a little bit harder and maybe applied a little bit less, but it's okay. It's all smooth out at the end. Taking Wedge by MAC, it's one of the singles. It's, if I had to take one shade and keep one shade for the rest of my life, it is Wedge. Love it, perfect brown for my skin tone. Using that, and I'm just trying to carve out my eye socket, just to add some dimension and some color, just give my eyeball some character. That's what I'm doing. I'm characterizing my eyeball. This is a big blending game. I'm actually just constantly kind of going back into the shade because it's very buildable, very buildable. That's why I love it. After everything is to my liking, I go in with Anastasia's, what is it, caramel? Also one of my favorite warm browns. And just applying that to the end of my eye socket, and whatever's remaining, I do pull it inwards, and then kind of creating a V as well, and just blending. Taking the first brush I used, and I just really go over everything and just try to blend out all the edges. And then I go in with MAC's rice paper. I was gonna say rice cake, but that's just my hungry stomach talking right now. Rice paper, MAC's rice paper, applying it on the inner to middle part of my eyelid, and I am just really blending some more, blending that rice paper. I was gonna say rice cake again. Blending the rice paper into the crease, blending. I'm taking Wedge underneath my eye and just connecting it and blending some more. It's like the blending games. The more you blend, the better it looks. And a lot of times you can tell I didn't blend long enough, but just blend. I'm also taking my powder brush, just kind of squeezing it with whatever's remaining on that brush just to kind of diffuse everything so I won't have a harsh line. So here is the Roller Liner Eyeliner from Benefit. It says, Roller Liner glides on natural looking, fine line, and quick dries to a deep, dark, true matte. 24-hour waterproof, natural matte finish, won't fade, flake, bleed, or smudge. Okay. The little felt tip is really long and skinny, and it's really firm. Bendy but firm. It glides on like a dream. And I just applied this, and I'm giving it the immediate swipe test, and that's impressive right there. Okay, so even before you guys see the end results, I have to say that I am impressed with this eyeliner, because the first time just touching my face and I slide it up, it glides beautifully. Really, really beautifully. And I feel enough product comes out, you can continuously glide. I was very impressed by the felt tip because you could just get that straight line up towards your brow. And I feel like I have problems finding a good eyeliner that really does that and keeping the color. But you really can create lines with this one. Here, look at that. Like, I struggle with this usually, and it was so much easier. What I do have to say, I feel like it does dry down quickly. Matte, which is beautiful. I love the color of this eyeliner, but it does dry down quickly. So if I have areas I have to refill, I have to rather work quickly. Just keep that in mind with this eyeliner. It is a bomb eyeliner, I like it, but you do have to work quickly. Quick, quick, quick. Next, I'm grabbing my Ardell Remy lashes in 778. Just popping those on with some duo lash glue. Then I'm going to take some of my Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops, and I believe this is the shade Moonlight. Just taking my little damp beauty blender and trying to work it in, and then I guess using my finger. Using my oldie but goodie NARS blush in the shade Lovejoy, just popping that onto the cheeks. And then grabbing the Climax mascara from NARS, which I absolutely love. And for the lip combo, here you see me showing you the Anastasia's Ashton lipstick and one of Kylie Jenner's lipsticks, but I switched it out for the Allegedly from Jeffree Star. Placing Ashton all over my lips and then using Allegedly in the middle of my lips. Fixing my little robber bank hat, and that's it. Quick and easy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a nice day.